Hi guys, this is Doomleaf and in this video we are going to make wrap text effect on this image. So the first thing we have to do is select image, click on select subject. It will take some time according to the image. When image is selected, then go to select, modify, expand and select about 25 pixels. OK, and then again go to select and then modify and smooth and select about 30 pixels and then OK. Now right click on your mouse and select make work path and select 1 pixels. OK, and then click on text and your effect is ready. And now select the text layer and convert to smart object and merge it down, and you can play around with it and you can experiment with this effect. And if you like this video, then please subscribe, comment and share it with your friends. Thank you.